Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we have an unboxing for some leather that we purchased from Springfield Leather. Let's check it out. Love the smell of leather. What do you think? So here we actually have quite a few pieces that we purchased from Springfield Leather. For the most part, we're going to make messenger bags, tote bags from this right here. So altogether we got 7 hides or 7 pieces. And let's cut open the first piece and take a look. It's a nice light brown, oil tan leather. And just so you know, all of these purchased from this box, oil tan leather. Anywhere from 3 to 5 ounce of leather. Here we're just checking out the quality of the leather, checking out the imperfections, and of course you guys know that with leather you're going to have some imperfections, especially if it's the real stuff. So that was a small piece, but not bad. Ah, look at this one. Very nice. I like. It's a nice dark brown. Got a little shine or a sheen to it. Very nice. Okay, so next we have another brown, and all of these again are oil tan leather. There's a few imperfections, but looking at this, we'll probably be able to make a clutch or two, small clutch or two that we'll probably get out of this piece. So it's not the best piece in the bunch so far, but we'll make do. Not bad, considering. Look like we got something nice here. Oh yeah, very nice. Happy with this one. Very happy. This one right here has good length and width. So we can probably get a tote bag and a messenger bag out of this. One or the other, or maybe both. We'll see. But it's very nice. So this one right here will look like almost jackpot. Let's check out our next piece. Ooh, I like this one. Wow, this is beautiful. Nice and soft. This is a beautiful piece of leather. Very nice. Happy with this one. Seems like we have another nice piece here. Oh yeah. Good width, good length. All right. So far, we're very happy with what we're seeing here for this purchase that we got here from Springfield Leather. And remember, it's oil tan, so you're going to have some imperfections. All real leather have imperfections, right? But that's the beauty of it. Gives it what we call character. Very nice. Yes. Can't complain about this one. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, let's switch it up a little bit. This is a small box. So let's see what we got. All right. Look at here. The pieces seem to be a little small, but very nice. Look at that plum. Nice color. Yeah, this right here, this leather here is said that Prada actually used this same type of leather when making quite a few of their bags. So I'm happy to purchase this and receive it. The colors are popping, they're vibrant. That red, look at that orange, that burnt orange. It's a small piece, but yeah, we'll definitely get something nice out of it, that's for sure. Nice and soft, beautiful. Yeah, couldn't wait. Sorry about that. We're having a moment of inspiration. It's a small piece, but we're just curious as to see what we can potentially get out of this small piece right here. And as you can see, it looks like we may be able to get 3 small clutch bags out of this. Maybe. Definitely 2. But potentially 3. I love these colors. They're very vibrant. Look at that red. Wow. Nice. Gotta give it a thumbs up. If you're liking this video, comment below. Give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Okay, next up, all about the buckles. So here we have buckles that we purchased, mainly for crossbody straps, satchels, tote bags, stuff like that. And Springfield Leather actually had what they call a grab bag. So, a grab bag, very nice price. Not sure what you're going to get in it, but you know you're going to get buckles. So, not all of these were in the grab bag, but the majority of them were. And I have to say, very impressed. Very impressed. Hope you like this video. We have a lot of projects coming up, so subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for up and coming projects that we have in the works. Until the next video, take care and thanks for watching.